The legend of Samudra Manthana, the churning of the ocean, is one of the most significant episodes in Sanatana Dharma and is deeply connected to the origins of Kumbh Mela. It is a tale of an eternal battle between the Devas, gods, and the Asuras, demons, over the nectar of immortality, Amrita. The story begins with sage Durvasa, a powerful ascetic known for his unpredictable temper. One day, he presented a celestial garland of divine flowers to Indra, the king of the gods. However, Indra, consumed by pride, carelessly placed the garland on his elephant, Airavata. The elephant, disturbed by its strong fragrance, threw the garland to the ground. Angered by this disrespect, sage Durvasa cursed Indra and the Devas, causing them to lose their divine strength, wealth, and prosperity. As a result, the Asuras waged war against the weakened Devas, easily defeating them and taking control over the three worlds. Helpless and powerless, the Devas, led by Indra, approached Lord Vishnu, seeking a way to regain their lost strength. Vishnu advised them to form a temporary alliance with the Asuras and churn the cosmic ocean, Kshira Sagra, to obtain the nectar of immortality, Amrita. The churning of the Kshira Sagra, ocean of milk, required a massive effort. The Devas and Asuras decided to use Mount Mandara as the churning rod and Vasuki, the king of serpents, as the churning rope. The Asuras held Vasuki's head, while the Devas held its tail and began the great churning. However, as soon as they started, Mount Mandara began to sink into the ocean due to its enormous weight. Seeing this, Lord Vishnu took the form of Kurma, a giant tortoise, and balanced the mountain on his back, allowing the churning to continue. As the churning progressed, various divine objects and beings emerged from the ocean. Kamadhenu, the divine cow, the sacred cow that grants all desires. Airavata, the white elephant, Indra's mighty celestial elephant. Kalikut, deadly poisonous creatures, various toxic beings that settled in the underworld. Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, emerged, choosing Lord Vishnu as her consort. Parijta, celestial tree, a divine wish-fulfilling tree that later became part of Indra's paradise. Chandra, the moon emerged and was taken by Lord Shiva, who adorned it on his head. Halhala, the poison, so toxic that it could destroy all of creation. To save the universe, Lord Shiva drank the poison, holding it in his throat, which turned blue, earning him the name Neelkantha, the blue-throated one. Dhanvantari, the divine physician, the celestial healer, appeared, holding a golden pot, Kumbha, filled with Amrita. The moment Dhanvantari appeared with the pot of nectar, the Asuras snatched it and refused to share it with the Devas. Seeing this, Lord Vishnu took the form of Mohini, an enchantress of mesmerizing beauty. Mohini offered to distribute the nectar equally between the Devas and Asuras. The Asuras, entranced by her beauty, agreed to let her handle the distribution. However, Mohini cleverly ensured that only the Devas received Amrita, making them immortal. When the Asuras realized they had been deceived, a fierce battle ensued. During the chaos, a few drops of Amrita spilled onto four sacred locations on earth: Prayagraj at the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati rivers; Haridwar on the banks of the Ganges river; Ujjain near the Shipra river; Nashik on the banks of the Godavari river. Since these four places were sanctified by the drops of Amrita, they became sites of great spiritual significance. It is believed that during specific planetary alignments, the waters of these rivers become charged with divine energy, granting spiritual purification and liberation, moksha, to those who bathe in them. Thus, the Kumbh Mela, the largest spiritual gathering in the world, was established. Held Purna Kumbh Mela in every 12 years in all four places, Ardh Kumbh Mela every 6 years at Prayagraj and Haridwar. Mahakumbh Mela occurs once every 144 years at Prayagraj. It attracts millions of devotees, sages, and seekers who come to wash away their sins and experience divine blessings. The legend of Samudra Manthana and the origin of Kumbh Mela is not just a tale of gods and demons but a profound allegory of good versus evil, perseverance, and divine intervention. The churning of the ocean symbolizes the struggles of life, where one must endure hardships before attaining enlightenment. The Kumbh Mela, with its deep-rooted spiritual significance, continues to uphold this ancient tradition, celebrating the victory of divinity, faith, and immortality.